In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Stardew Valley multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to play with your friends, all that you have to do is first select Co-op from the main menu. You will be able to join them by selecting Enter Invite Code or Join LAN Game if both of you are on the same network and one of you will have to host the game. So click Host, then select Host New Farm, and in here you will be able to name your character and manage the multiplayer world. So just go ahead, include the name of everything, and include how many starting cabins you have for you and your friends. You can change these to your own liking, they won't impact much, so just pick whatever you prefer. I'm just going to skip the intro to demonstrate this, and once you get into the game you should see this message: you are now hosting a multiplayer game. As you can see, you will get an invite code that you can share with your friends, and as long as they paste this invite code, when they go over to the multiplayer tab, they will be able to join you and play through the entirety of Stardew Valley multiplayer. So, like I said, all you would have to do is go to Co-op, and if you aren't hosting the game, select Enter Invite Code and paste the code that your friend acquired when they host the game. As you can see, the farm will always be available here, so if you need to resume gameplay later, you can just host it again and resume your progress as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Stardew Valley multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.